Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, another unboxing video, my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM this month. So again, I'm so excited to unbox it with you and share with you what we got for this month. Again guys, this is what's look like the packaging of BOXYCHARM, and it's a little bit heavy. By the way, BOXYCHARM is, I'm sure $25 every month, and you will receive 5 beauty product or skincare that they're all full size. So yeah, it's been sitting here for like 2 weeks already, maybe a week already. I'm so busy, lots of doctor's appointment, and we're still doing here in the house, renovating and fixing the bedrooms and building the furniture that we got for IKEA, so we are all busy. So finally I decided to film today. I just got home from work. It is maybe around 5 o'clock already, so I decided to do a quick unboxing today. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. You got a knife, be careful. This is my favorite knife that I have. I'm so excited every time I got my BOXYCHARM. It's so cute. And here's the paperwork guys, and again the back, they put everything that we have on the box. First that we got is this eye serum. I'm so excited. Dewy Eye Illuminating Eye Serum. Really exciting. Such a nice packaging of eye serum. It looks like, I don't know how to open this. Like a really nice packaging though. Wow. They really sealed it. Nice, and ow, almost break my nails. It's too tight. Ooh, they put it in the plastic, something like this packaging. It's a super thick plastic packaging, and also they put it in a little cloth packaging. Ooh, it's cute. Packaging of eye cream. I don't know if I'm gonna use I have a lot of eye cream, but I'm not using it right now because I'm too worried to put any chemicals on my face right now, because some of the ingredients is not good in pregnant. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to it and keep it, and if I'm ready to use it, I can use it. So next is this Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. Ooh, it's a priming moisturizer guys. So cute. It's kind of, how many ml is it? It's big, 50 ml. So it's a big packaging as well of priming moisturizer. What is this? So there's the packaging of the primer, and there's the box. Yay, I'm excited. I can probably use this before setting my foundation, getting ready for my makeup. Next is Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Ooh, I love something like this product because I always hair straightening my hair or blow dry my hair, so this is nice to have one. I cannot wait to use this one. It's for our hair, to help your hair not damaging for heat, like if you're doing blow dry or straightening your hair. So yeah, it's a big bottle. Hopefully it smells good, and that it smells like really mild smell, because I don't like super strong smell. I hate it. I don't like it. I don't even wear perfume at all because I don't know, it kind of give me an allergy. I just don't like the smell. give me dizzy. So next is this. Ooh, I love Tarte. Yay! I can't wait. This is the Tarte concealer. So one of my subscription box, I'm not sure which one, Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, but I got the little tiny sample Tarte concealer and I do love it. So I'm really excited with this, and it's a big size of concealer. I don't know how many ml is it, but it's a big size of, it's a nice size of concealer. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Like I almost go to Ulta just to grab a Tarte concealer because I do love their concealer. It's really nice concealer. So it's huge and it has this little sponge applicator. That's nice. Shape Tape Glow Wand Tarte concealer. I am so excited because it's hard for me to find a right shade of concealer. So again, I already mentioned it, so I have those little tiny sample concealer that I got from one of my monthly subscription. It is match my skin tone, so hopefully this is match my skin tone too. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm excited with the Tarte concealer. So next is this Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. It says Haze Smoky Eye Pencil, and what color is this? It looks like a pencil eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's cute. It's green. It's green eye pencil, like a pencil eyeliner, but in the shade green. Yep, it's green. You can use, if you can see it. Ooh, I'm excited to use this too. It's a really soft eyeshadow pencil. Ooh, I'm excited. So I think that's it for my monthly subscription beauty box this month. I cannot wait. I'm so excited about the Tarte concealer. I cannot wait to try it like if it matches my skin tone, and also the heat protectant mist. This is really important for us, especially when you're doing your hair, blow dry your hair, any kind of heat that makes your hair damage. This is really good for our hair, to protect our hair for heat. I am so excited. I cannot wait to try all of these skincare and beauty product that I got for this month. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.